The MBA in Operations Management program at SIOM Nashik keeps you on your toes from day one.
You start by building a strong foundation, and thus, the first semester covers all the essentials from operations management to supply chain analytics, marketing, finance, and more.
Then semester 2 hits you with the practical stuff. Certification program, analytics with Python, simulation, live projects, industry visits and many more.
Semester 3 is when you feel like an industry pro. SAP training and summer internships where you actually try to solve real-world problems.
And finally, the last semester where you get to pick the electives that match your dream role: smart manufacturing, retail analytics, operations tech, and more.
What I love is how they mix in courses like health and wellness and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam into the program. It's not just about skill, it's about molding the mindset as well.
It's intense,
But by the end, you're more than ready for the industry.
and that's exactly what we signed up for.